What's up? So today I wanted to just do my makeup on camera, talk to you guys a bit and show you guys some new products that I got. It's been a while since I've done my makeup on camera. It's really going to be something simple, but I've been getting so many questions about one specific product since recently. It's been a lip gloss that I wore last week. It was on my vlog channel, but also people have been asking, so I decided that I would do a video here. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys can see, I already did my brows off camera, but today, so I got this package from Sistarusa. You guys know I love my Sistarusa products, and there's a bunch of stuff in there which I'm so excited to tell you guys about, because Sistarusa just recently launched a holographic lip gloss line, a metallic lip gloss line, and a lip filler lip gloss line. And the lip gloss that I had on last week was one of the lip fillers. It's not really, but it gives your lip that plumping effect, that tingly effect, and it looks really juicy and really nice. Also, I got some new gel pots and a micro brow defining pencil, which is what I used today to fill. So this is it, and if you guys need a detailed brow tutorial, one is listed in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. I use that for my brows so far, and to clean up around it, I use my Sistarusa It's two concealers which I ran out of and I had to re-up. So I use golden beige and bronze for the top, golden beige for the bottom, and yeah. So now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with golden beige to highlight, and this is gonna be very simple fall glam, very simple. Super simple, and I always love my Sistarusa concealer because it blends so effortlessly. A little goes a long way, you know. It's really creamy, nice thick consistency. I'm currently going on the road. You know, I'm going to be vlogging. If you guys are not in tune with my vlog channel, you need to go ahead and check it out. Very frequent uploads over there. Also, I must remind you guys about my giveaway. Still going on. Remember, the announcements will be on December 24th, which is my birthday. This is going to be like very natural looking makeup. Very natural looking, because I mean, for a while now I've just been rocking mostly the natural makeup. It's like when I want to go really all out, and I feel like it's easy for you guys to relate as well. No matter how much natural makeup looks I do, people are always like, oh my gosh, can you do this again, can you do that again? Like, I don't know. And I mean, I can understand why, you know, like most of the time nobody don't always want to look dramatic, like have a lot of color over their eye and stuff. So I mean, I understand, you know. So, and also felt I've been doing a lot of other stuff now on my main channel, like, you know, how I've been doing a lot of mukbangs and more interactive videos, which I absolutely love. But you know, I can't let out the makeup. I have to come back every now and again, but I will definitely be coming back with a couple dramatic looks, like 1 and 2 dramatic looks. So I just dusted some of my face powder in the crease of my eyes. That's all. It's not eyeshadow or anything. So I'm going to use a little bit of their liner today, just a little bit. I want to put a little bit of their ultra black gel pot liner. I want to use a bit of this liner on my waterline. And there's also a next one. This is the Midnight Star gel pot. It has a little bit of like glitter in there. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it out, but it's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm taking my It's You setting spray. Had to read up on this as well. I loved it so much. Now it's time for the final portion, the portion that I've been so excited about to show you guys. So for the metallic, I want to go ahead and show you Starry Galaxy metallic lip gloss, and this is the shade Libra, and as I said, this is from their metallic line, and this is super pigmented. Wow, a little goes a long way. Wow. Even though it's metallic, it still has this like very glossy, juicy looking effect. Usually with metallic, it look more metallic, you know. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I really love this one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why?
These are super pigmented, guys. Yes, these are like more like glossy lipsticks, in my opinion. They're really, really nice. And for like lighter shades, I'd line them. But they're real pretty shades.
I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh,
now for the lip fillers.
I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
this one now for the final one after I've done all these swatches. This is my final one. Sister Cosmetics lip filler in Iceland. So this is the lip gloss everybody been asking me about. Yes, this is what I had on in my last vlog. I love it. It is gorgeous. This is about to be my #1 top gloss at the moment. That makes your lips look so juicy, so sexy. Like, this is everything to me right now. I absolutely love this gloss with everything inside of me. I love this one. Shout out to Sister. I don't know what you did, but you're fine it. You're fine it. That's pretty much it for today's look. Very simple, very easy, a very simple day during this fall period. You can go ahead and do a look like this. Is work appropriate, office party appropriate. All you need to do, if you're like going to an event, if you want to do something simple but you want to like do something to make the look pop, you can do a colored lippy, and you can use one of these colored lip glosses that I use. You know, it's the season for glossy lips. That's how I feel, because when the time gets colder, you know, the lips can feel drier, the skin can feel drier. You want things to feel more moisturized and stuff like that. So I really feel like wearing a gloss is the right choice. But that's it for today's look. It's very simple. I know, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Also, all the giveaway rules will be listed once more down below in the description box. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Subscribe to Petite-Sue TV as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh.